How to add flags in Facebook profile picture. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. You will be led to the home page of Facebook, so go ahead and tap on your profile picture on the top left of your screen. You will then be led to the interface from where you can make changes to your profile. So go ahead and tap on the edit button or the pencil-like icon on the top of your screen. You will then see the Profile Picture tab. Tap on the Edit button beside the Profile Picture tab and then tap on the Select Profile Picture option. Scroll down and you will see the option for profile frames. Tap on the More option you see there. You will then see the option for flags. Tap on that, and with this you will be led to the interface with flags from all countries. Scroll through and select the country whose flag you want to add on your profile picture. And now, as you can see, the flag has been added. So, tap on the Save button, and with this the changes you made will be saved. So, this is how you can add flags in Facebook profile picture. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.